Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a Google Voice number tied to your account. This is what viewers will see. Once chosen, verify it with your mobile number so calls and texts route correctly. Install the Google Voice app on your phone and Chrome extension or web client on desktop to access calls, voicemails, and SMS. Make sure notifications are enabled. This prevents missed messages while recording. Next, set call forwarding and voicemail greeting, so your channel looks professional from the first contact. Now configure Google Voice audio to feed into your recording tool. In Chrome or the web client, route the microphone output to OBS or your screen recorder as an audio input. You can also use virtual audio cables for system routing. You want clear levels, so test a short clip. Speak, play a voicemail, and confirm levels show in OBS. Once done, record a full take and use the audio waveform to align with your video timeline. This preserves lip sync and call clarity for editing. Finish by cleaning the Google Voice track. Apply noise reduction, normalize levels, and trim dead space so speech is crisp. Then export the audio and combine it with your video timeline, adjusting gain to match background music. Make sure to add captions for accessibility and consider a short intro explaining your voice source. If you get no audio during recording, reroute using a virtual audio cable, restart your browser, and reselect the correct input. That usually resolves permissions or device conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.